Hey, what is up, guys? I am back here with one Pokemon pack. I don't even know what I'm just trying to get as many cards as I can. The new Fates Collide pack. Let's see what we can try and pull in this. So trying to get this crap off of it. Like so. Put that way. Put it again. Put one part off. Without destroying the pack. And see, yep, got that down. I'll be right back. So I finally got it out of the freaking thing. I had to rip it apart. And now let's see what I can get out of this. Hopefully, okay, got it. That. Hopefully, I get some really good cards. My camera's slipping. Gotta adjust it. Nope. I hate when my camera does. No. Just stay still. Okay. Let's get on to it. Camera, stop. There we go. Open this thing up. Let's see what we try to get. Ooh, crap, my camera. Here it is. Yeah, with the other hand, so you get a little more lighting. And use this hand again. There's the code, those right there. Close it, 1, 2, 3. Holy crap. So we got a, let's see. So we got a Fairy Drop. We got ourselves a Loudon, a Kabuto, a Larvitar, a Burmy, a Seal, a Fennekin, a Gothitelle. Holy crap. We have ourselves a Lugia break card, guys. Holy crap. Let's see the final card. As a regular rare Aerodactyl. That actually kind of looks like a Mew. Like a Mewtwo. No joke. It looks like just like a random mutated Mewtwo. Oh, but golly. I did not expect this card at all. I just bought a random pack from Walmart. And well, here we go. Got a really good card, Lugia break. Let me see what I can do. Flash of Destruction, 150, discard 2 energy attached to this Pokemon. Interesting. Well, got a brand new break card. Really good. And then you also got the, I did not expect them to like put Zygarde in the Fates Collide thing. Retrieve this. See that? Like, yeah, 100% Zygarde form. Yeah, I did not expect them to do that. Like, it's like out of the blue. And then also the game Sun and Moon, people are saying that he is like the fusion of the Sun and Moon legendary. It's a really, I think it's a pretty good theory. But you never know. They got all these cards right there. Lugia break. But thanks for watching this like extremely short video. And not really that much to talk about. But I'm going to try my best to upload even more videos now. Because, I haven't uploaded a lot videos in a long time. So, I guess I'm going to see you guys later. And please leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. If you didn't, comment down below and tell me what the region is so I can improve and make it a way better just for y'all. And I will see y'all later.